Welcome to another video on how to open a Capital One savings account. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. To open a Capital One savings account, first you need to research on Capital One savings account. For that, open up your preferred web browser and type down www.capitalone.com in the search bar. And once the site opens up, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Now click on the three horizontal lines at the upper left corner right here. And now from the given options, simply select checkings and savings. Here, explore the different saving account options they offer and also familiarize yourself with the features, interest rates, fees, and requirements associated with each account. Next, select the Capital One saving account that best meets your needs and financial goals. Consider factors such as minimum deposit requirements, interest rates, accessibility, and any additional features or benefits. Once you have decided on a saving account, look for the Open Account or Apply Now button associated with the chosen saving account and click on it to initiate the application process. Next, fill out the online application form with accurate and up-to-date personal information. This may include your full name, social security number, date of birth, contact information, and employment details. After this, Capital One may even require you to verify your identity during the application process. This could involve providing additional documentation such as a copy of a driver's license or passport. After the verification, Capital One may require an initial deposit to open the savings account. Ensure you have the required funds available and follow the instruction provided to make the initial deposit. This can typically be done through electronic funds transfer from an existing bank account. Once you have done that, carefully read and understand the terms and conditions associated with the saving account, including any fees, withdrawal restrictions, and account maintenance requirements. Once you have completed all the necessary steps and reviewed the information, submit your application. After submitting your application, you receive confirmation of your new saving account. Capital One will then provide you with account details, including your account number, online banking access information, and other relevant information. Once your saving account is set up, you can log into your Capital One online banking account to access and manage your funds. You can track your savings, set up automatic transfers, and perform other banking activities. Now, if you have any questions or encounter any issues during the application process, it's recommended to contact Capital One's customer service for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and address any concerns that you may have. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.